Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about cell division on the basis of their origin. Okay. On the basis of origin, cells are divided into two types. First one is our prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. Second one is our eukaryotic cell. Exotic. Okay. So on the basis of origin, cells are divided into two types. First one is a prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay. Okay. So one by one, let's discuss these two types. Okay. So first of all, let's see about prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. It derived from a Greek word that is pro plus carrion. Okay. Here, pro means you can say primitive, and trions it means nucleus. Okay. So, prokaryote is derived from an Greek word that is pro plus karyon. Okay. Here, pro means primitive and kryons it means nucleus. Okay. So, let's see some point related this. Those cells in which organized is absent. Okay. Those cells in which organized and we can say true nucleus is absent. Okay. In a prokaryotic cell, uh, organized nucleus is absent. Okay. In this type of cell, this type of cell nucleus nucleus like nucleoid, like is present, and hence nucleoid act as nucleus. Okay. In a prokaryotic cell, nucleus is absent, but a nucleus like nucleoid is present. Okay. Which is act as nucleus. Okay. Now move to our third point. In prokaryotes, cell organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, etc. are absent. Okay. And in prokaryotes, okay, cell organelle, or you can say membrane bounded organelle. Okay, like you can write membrane bounded organelle are membrane bounded organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body. In prokaryotes, membrane bounded organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, okay, are absent. Okay. So this is all about the prokaryotic cells. Okay. For example, we can write eubacteria, cyanobacteria. Okay. For example, here we can write eubacteria, cyanobacteria. You see, there are many examples of prokaryotic cell. Okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, well organized nucleus is absent. Okay. And but nucleus like nucleoid is present. Okay. That is act as nucleus. And in eukaryotes, membrane bounded organelles are absent. Okay, like mitochondria, Golgi body, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So membrane bounded organelles are absent in the eukaryote. Okay. There is some examples like eubacteria, cyanobacteria. Okay. The outermost, this one is our, suppose this one is our prokaryotic cell. Okay. The outermost cover of prokaryotic cell is known as our capsule. Okay, and after that, the cell wall is present. This blue one is our cell wall. Okay, that is present in cell after the capsule. Okay, in prokaryotic cell after the capsule. Okay, and inside the cell wall, this one is our plasma membrane. Okay, in plasma membrane there is a finger-like projection like this. Okay, this finger-like projection act as mitochondria. Okay, whose name is its name is mesosome. Okay, it behaves like mitochondria. Okay, this is our respiratory enzyme. Okay, so the outermost cover of the prokaryotic cell, or you can say bacteria cell, okay, is known as our capsule. Okay, this one is our the hardest one, that is known as our capsule. Okay, hardest cover of bacterial cell is our capsule. Okay, after that this one is our cell wall. Okay, and inside the cell wall, this one is our plasma membrane. Okay, and this one is our this finger-like projection is our what? Mesosome. Okay, act as mitochondria. Okay, and this one is our DNA. Okay, or we can say nucleoid. Okay, it is act as nucleus. Okay, in prokaryotic cell. Let's show me one more figure. Prokaryotic cell. Like here, we can see that this outermost cover of the prokaryotic cell is known as our capsule. Okay, and after that, the cell wall is present, and inside the cell wall, the plasma membrane is present. Okay, and this circular this one is our nucleoid, okay, or we can say DNA nucleoid, okay. This one is our DNA, okay. It means nucleoid, okay. And here the finger-like projection is present. It is known as our mesosome, okay. It acts like mitochondria, mesosome. And here this one is our ribosomes, okay. So in the prokaryotic cells, the 70S ribosomes are present, okay. 70S ribosomes are present in prokaryotic cells, okay. And this one is our cytoplasm. This one is our bacterial flagellum. It helps in the movement of the cell, okay. So I hope you understand all things related the prokaryotic cell, okay. Like on the basis of origin, cells are divided into two parts. First one is our two types. First one is our prokaryotic cell, and after that eukaryotic. Second one is our eukaryotic cell, okay. Prokaryotic cell are derived from Greek word, that is pro plus karyons, okay. So here pro means primitive. Pro means primitive, okay, or we can say before, okay. And karyons, it means nucleus. So here it is clear that in the prokaryotic cell, the well-organized nucleus is absent, okay. So and we discussed our first point that those cells in which organized nucleus is absent, okay. It means in a prokaryotic cell, the organized nucleus is absent, okay, or we can say true nucleus is absent. Now second point is that in this type of cell, nucleus-like nucleoid is present, okay, and hence nucleoid act as nucleus, okay. And in a prokaryotic cell, nucleus-like nucleoid is present, okay. It is behave as a nucleus. It play the role of nucleus, okay, in prokaryotic cell. After that, in the prokaryotes, membrane-bounded organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, okay. So in the prokaryotic cells, the membrane-bounded organelles are absent, okay. For example, eubacteria, cyanobacteria, green algae, okay. So here is a figure of bacterial cell, okay. Like the outermost cover of the prokaryotic cell is our capsule, okay. It is the hardest cover of the prokaryotic cell, and after that the cell wall is present, okay. And inside the cell wall, the plasma membrane is present, okay. And plasma membrane and this finger-like projection is known as our mesosome, okay. So is our mesosome. Mesosome acts as behave as a mitochondria in eukaryotic cells, okay. this one is our ribosome. Okay. This one is our plasmid. Okay. This one is our ribosome. Of 70S. Okay. So in prokaryotic cells, 70S ribosomes are present. Okay. So this one is a figure of the prokaryotic cell. Okay. After that, here is one more figure of the prokaryotic cell. Okay. Like the outermost cover of prokaryotic cell is our capsule. Okay, that is the hardest one, hardest cover of the prokaryotic cells. Okay, and inside the capsule, cell wall is present. Okay, and inside the cell wall, there is plasma membrane is present. Okay, and extension of plasma membrane, finger-like projection. This one is our known as mesosome. Okay, it helps in respiration. Okay, and at mesosomes have respiratory enzymes. Okay, this is our respiratory enzyme. And this one is our DNA. Okay, or we can say nucleotide. Circular DNA are present in the prokaryotic cell. Okay, this one is our ribosome of 70S. Okay, in prokaryotic cells, 70S ribosomes are present. This fluid-like structure is known as our cytoplasm. Okay, and this one is our bacterial flagellum. Okay, it helps in the movement of cell. Okay, so this is all about the prokaryotic cell. Okay, so I hope you understand whole the video. In the next video, we will discuss about the eukaryotic cell. Okay. So I hope you understand whole the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.